in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lewis County and north central Idaho, Nez Perce County and north central Idaho, southeastern Assotin County and southeast Washington until 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles southeast of Anatone, or 22 miles south of Lewiston, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Waha, Winchester, Craigmont, Cul-de-sac, and Drubins. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Pacific